9 sum is an agent is paid commission of 7% on cash sales and 5% on credit sales made by him. If the total sale is 1,02,000, the agent claim total commission of 6,420 find as cash and credit sale. हम लोग बोलेंगे कि कमीशन ऑन कैश सेल्स इज 7%, क्रेडिट सेल इज 5%, टोटल सेल इज 1,02,000, टोटल कमीशन इज 6,420. We have to find cash and credit sales. I'll say let the cash sales be X. तो credit sales क्या होगा? Credit sales will become 1,02,000 minus X. अगर कैश सेल्स X है तो क्रेडिट सेल्स बन जाएंगे टोटल सेल्स माइनस कैश. अब कैश सेल्स पे 7% का कमीशन होगा 7x by 100 और क्रेडिट सेल पे 5% का कमीशन होगा 5 into 1,02,000 minus x by 100. तो एडिशन क्या होगी इन दोनों की? 6,420 मल्टीप्लाई इनसाइड. So 7x plus 5,02,000 into 5, 1,02,000 into 5 is 5,10,000 minus 5x. या 100 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. This is 6,420. तो ये 100 इधर आ जाएगा कॉमन मल्टीपल. Then you will get 2x is equals to 1,32,000. X will become 66,000. This is cash sales. Credit sale is 1,02,000 minus 66, 36,000. At the end, you should write down thus credit sales are, cash sales are 66,000 and credit sales 36,000. और इसको स्क्वायर कर देना है आपको. Are we getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
The sum is 3 cars were sold through an agent for 2,40,000, 2,22,000 and 2,25,000 respectively. The rate of commission were 17.5% on the first, 12.5% on the second. If the agent overall received 14% commission on the total sales, find the rate of commission on the third car. हम लोग बोलेंगे let the rate of commission on the third car be X%. Okay. Now, पहली कार पे आपको कमीशन मिल रहा है 17.5%. So पहली कार पे 2,40,000 पे 17.5% का कमीशन हो गया 42,000. Then on 2,22,000 कमीशन हो गया 27,750. On 2,25,000 we don't have any commission because X is unknown. But on 6,87,000, that is on total sales, the commission is 14%, which will come to 96,180. Now, the total commission has to be equal to 96,180. So the total commission is 42,000 plus 27,750 plus 2,25,000 x upon 100 is equals to 96,180. अब ये हो जाएगा ये टोटल 42 plus 27,750 और ये इसमें से माइनस हो जाएगा. So you will get 2,250 x is equals to 96,180 minus 42,000 minus 27,000. You will get 26,430. X will become 11.746, that is 11.75%. This is the rate of commission of the third car. Swatantrata distributor allows 15% discount on list price of washing machine. Further 5% is given for each for cash payment. Find the list price of the washing machine if it was sold for net amount of 38,356.25. Now invoice price is list price minus trade discount and net sales price is invoice price minus cash discount. This is given to you. We have already discussed this. Now ये sum इसी पे based है. तो ट्रेड डिस्काउंट तो 15% है, कैश डिस्काउंट 5% है, और गिवन क्या है? नेट सेल वैल्यू. लिस्ट प्राइस गिवन नहीं है, वही निकालनी है. तो मैं बोलूंगी लेट लिस्ट प्राइस बी एक्स. 15% on x, that will be 15x upon 100. That is 0.15x. This is trade discount. Invoice price will be x minus 0.15x. That is 0.85x. ये कैसे आया? लिस्ट प्राइस x है, उसमें से ट्रेड डिस्काउंट माइनस हुआ तो इनवॉइस प्राइस आ गई. नेट प्राइस इज इक्वल्स टू इनवॉइस प्राइस माइनस कैश प्राइस. Cash price or cash discount is 5% on 0.85x. So that will become 5 upon 100 into 0.85x. That will be 0.0425x. This is your cash discount on invoice price. अब net price निकालने के लिए invoice minus cash discount will give you 0.8075x. Now 0.8075x is 38,356.25. So what is x? X is 47,500. Now at the end you will write down thus the list price. The list price of washing machine is rupees 47,500. ये एंड में लिख के इसको स्क्वायर कर देना पड़ता है. This is how you should present in your board exams. 12th sum is a bookseller received 1530 as 15% commission on list price. Find list price of the books. अब list price को हम लोगों ने अगर x बोल दिया and rate of commission is 15% on x. So it is 15x upon 100. That is 1530. They have already given the commission is 1530. So 15x upon 100 is equals to 1530. So x is 1530 into 100 upon 15. It is 10,200. This is the list price of the book. इस पे 15% आपको मिलेंगे 1530. Sum number 13. A retailer sold a suit for 8830 after allowing 8% discount on marked price and further 4% cash discount. If he made 38% profit, find the cost price and the mark price of the suit. अब हमको ये नहीं पता है कि लिस्ट प्राइस क्या थी, हमको पता है ट्रेड डिस्काउंट क्या था, 8% on mark price. So let the market price be x. Trade discount is 8% of x, so 8x upon 100. 0.08x is the trade discount. Invoice price क्या होगा? Market price minus trade discount, that is 0.90. अब 0.92 पे 4% का कैश डिस्काउंट भी मिला उसको, so that will be 0.0368. तो नेट सेल प्राइस क्या हो गई? इनवॉइस माइनस कैश डिस्काउंट, that is 0.8832x. अब नेट सेल सूट की सोल्ड कितने को हुआ? 8832 को. So 0.8832x is equals to 8832. So x becomes 10,000. So market price आपकी 10,000 है. लेकिन जब उन्होंने सूट 8,832 को सेल किया, उसके बाद भी उन्होंने 38% का प्रॉफिट बनाया, तो हमको कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालनी है. तो मैंने बोला लेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस बी y. अगर कॉस्ट प्राइस y है तो y प्लस 38y अपॉन 100. This is nothing but cost plus profit is equals to net sales. तो हम लोग अभी y निकालेंगे. So 138y upon 100 is equals to 8832. So y will become 6,400. तो कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या थी सूट की? 6,400. उन्होंने लगाते वक्त पहले उसको 10,000 लगाया और फिर उस पे ट्रेड डिस्काउंट और कैश डिस्काउंट देके आपको 8832 को बेचा, which is much higher than the cost price. This is your sum number 13.